That's our schedule on Monday, and here's a report from Rina Villamor.
Coming into this third set, Coach Roger reminded the Smart Lady Spikers that they needed to be more aggressive when it comes to their offense. Dahil kanina katulad ng second set, ang nangyari ay binigyan nila ng malaking kalamangan dito ang PNP, kaya medyo nahirapan silang humabol dito. What they needed is to show that consistent aggressiveness rather all game long. And meanwhile, for the PNP Lady Patrollers, Coach Manuel Gerlan told them na bawal ang sumuko sa larong ito. What's important for them is to play without fear and hesitations. And since they are promoting their Patrol Plan 2013, paulit-ulit nga sinasabi sa kanila ni Coach Manuel Gerlan dito na they need to show and embody that code P, which stands for competence. They need to be organized, discipline, excellence, professionalism, and show maturity in their games. Back to you guys.
Yan ang framing it properly. Look at this. This is the longest rally, and it ends in favor of the PNP as Marciano just punctured that.
That's right. But before that, you can see si Jem Ferrer trying to do something with that regalo.
Oh, and a rare unpoised moment for Sue Roses. I think she was thinking of too many things at the same time.
Exactly.
Mali ang spin, counter.
Then na-commit na niya sarili niya before she thought that parang
Exactly.
out na ba to?
Oh, that's more it than anything else.
Yeah.
Tama ka dyan. Saltones, huli ka. PNP yan eh.
By Labrador. We are tied at 8.
Buti walang
Walang process. Tabla tayo. Ito ang Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It will not let you down. It won't let you down. Tabla pa po tayo sa 8.
I can see itong a good point in this PNP game is their blocking is actually
Getting better as the game
Well,
progresses.
that's
true.
In the meantime, that finds a mark. 9-8 lamang na uli ang Smart. Soriano darting in, marching out.
at ito si Soltones naisip niya, ba't pa ako pal nabablock ako yung off-speed ko? That's where I
Hindi
score
nila
most
mahuli
points.
simplihan na lang natin ang buhay. Baka umulan pa mamayang gabi uli. Bilisan na natin. Uy, overcooked yun. Soltones. Hello.
Off the block.
Adamson always has. Alam ko Soltones is Adamson.
Yes.
Yung program ni Mami Dulce and subsequent coaches have always found that one player at that Chinese, I don't know where they find. No? Lagi silang may nahanap na gem.
Like a Benting, a Pineda, Soriano.
11.
Meron silang, at saka napaka-versatile, will be good both in indoor at tapos outdoor volleyball. Beach volleyball for that matter.
Nika.
That's right. You know, even if they would place, no, sa universities, but you can see the program.
Yeah,
talaga,
there's always some shining star in a development. Those names that you mentioned. Hoy, Joust Sanet. Hello, Charo said.
Labrador. Denied.
And Gohing is saying,
9.
hi, buhay. And she's darting back in.
Siguro si Going, labas nga kayo.
Ako na.
Ako na nga.
Ako na. Ganito yan eh. Nagawa ko ng tournament, puro libero lang mag
That's fun, ha? That's a good idea.
I would do that, ha?
Parang skills game.
Skills game.
No?
Basta puro libero, tapos may kanyon doon sa taas. Basuka or something. Hiram tayo sa PNP. Hello, Soriano, Charo. Nailing it in the corner.
To 9.
She's now, I'm sorry, Charo, you're now a grizzled seasoned veteran. You are now the grand lady of this team.
Grandmom, ha?
Ako kagalit ko. Kung napanood, patay ako rito. Uy, bago. Soltones. Concepcion. Nice decision. Gem. Banatigla. Concepcion. Ay, labas. Well done. Nabasan ni Marciano yung block. Nicely.
10.
That's right.
12.
Yung mga, you know, those plays, they're the bright spots ng game ng PNP, eh.
Janine Nicole
12 Gs ang
Marciano.
bilang natin.
Serve.
Official ball po ng
PNP.
check is Billy Iisa. Mikasa. Gohing. Manatikla. They want to get her unglued and she scores.
Off the block. 13.
13
To
Gs.
10.
Well, you know, maganda rin, you know, I keep saying this, itong PNP, maganda pa rin yung they're talking to each other,
Yes.
encouraging
Yeah.
each other. Kahit nagkakamali, like that time, si Marciano talking to Ogana.
And they found a corner on the back row.
11 to 13.
After today, the PNP will take a long break before they go up against
PNP
Army
setter,
actually
Ana
on
Concepcion,
September 3. They will have a long break. Actually, they were...
Through the block.
yeah, it's their schedule today.
14
I don't
to
know if
11.
they were scheduled to play last Tuesday also. Na the games were cancelled.
Yeah.
Charo Soriano.
But for those who
serving.
are, you can see Suzanne
For
Roses
Smart.
again in the open hitting area. No, for those who want to know what's going to happen to yung game na na-cancel
Uh-uh.
on Tuesday, I asked Direk Barry here. He said that game will be moved to the last...
To the end of the season.
to the end of the season.
Yung end of the eliminations
Kapit na
para mailaro
Plus one.
din. Ano?
For
That was a three-header, no?
Yeah. 15-11 po ang bilang natin. Lamang ang
Service.
Smart. They lead in the
Soriano.
number of sets. 2-0, 2-0. You know, you can get better by just playing and staying long together. Naku, ayan na yung guwapong asawa ni Coach.
I heard him before I
Ayan,
saw
ang
him.
layo pa lang. Ang bilang po natin dito, 16-11, pero ang schedule natin sa Sunday, ang hukbong katihan ng Pilipinas laban sa hukbong himpapawid. Smart versus Meralco.